it and do all that other stuff. So happy and proud of myself. 2 years. Anyway, guys, before Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are fine, amazing and well. Welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog, I want to just bring you along. Today it's a Sunday, I believe, 24th, 23rd, and currently it's around 11. I already woke up, very early in the morning because I usually wake up very early so that I can go on to upload my videos, schedule it, and do all that other stuff, which I'm already done with almost 2 hours ago. And currently I have a couple of things that I want to be doing. I want to clean my house. I want to tidy up everything because tomorrow I'm officially starting the last semester of nursing school. I can't wait to officially be a nurse. But anyway, before we dive into the vlog, if this is the first time you're watching my face over here, hi there, I'm tanyanishailoc. I'm a Ugandan beauty and lifestyle content creator. Feel free to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share out with friends and family. Yeah, so currently, as I told you, it's around 11. I want to just go into the room, organize everything because almost everything is anywhere or everywhere, so I want to first of all clean that particular room, then go on to mop, do the usual house chores, if that makes sense. So let us just go and do that right now. I also think that today I'll probably go on to clean my makeup brushes because this week or the last week I did not get time, though I was not using them a lot, but I love to clean them once every week, especially those ones that I do use like currently or concurrently after the other day I clean them once a week. So right now I'm going to be cleaning and I'm going to be showing you the before and probably the after.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing.
You guys, finally done with cleaning almost everywhere. I'm so happy and proud of myself. It actually took me around 30 to 35 minutes and everything is done, pure clean. I'm so happy about that. So right now I want to give you the after, as I promised to show you the before and after. Probably I've already showed you the before, so right now I want to show you the after of almost everything.
So useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head.
Hopefully there you can hear me very well. So currently I want to do a very simple stretch routine before I can jump into the shower to take a bath and also do my skincare routine. And there is this amazing workout routine I do follow on YouTube. I'm gonna be leaving it linked in my description box below in case you are interested. Yeah. Guys, finally done with taking a bath and doing my skincare routine. So currently I want to boil some water here in my kitchen, make myself a cup of tea, and I was thinking about getting some chapati. I don't know if I'll be able to. I don't know. I have some bread. Hopefully I'm going to see how to do it. Make some tea and start working immediately because I have some thumbnails and some videos to be editing which are supposed to be going up this week. But anyway guys, before even I go, I want to show you today's fit, what I'm wearing. I was actually, picking out clothing or outfits for today, and it actually dawned on me that most of the time, most of my clothing are from Owino. They are on a very good, price range, but they also look good. This is what I'm wearing for today. Guys, the lighting is not the best, but hopefully you can see me very well. So this t-shirt I did get from Owino about 2 years ago. It was 2,000 Ugandan shillings. And this pair of pants, hopefully you can also see, these are a pair of sweatpants I also got from Owino at 10,000 Ugandan shillings. Man, Owino has some amazing things. Okay, so you guys, actually it's evening right now and I want to just go in and iron some of these shirts that I occasionally do wear while I'm at school. So tomorrow I'm starting nursing school. I don't know if I already mentioned, but hopefully I did mention. Hopefully. So tomorrow I'm starting the last semester of nursing school, but I think I mentioned already, guys. So I want to iron some of those pieces so that they are ready and everything is organized. Currently it's evening and I want to just make sure that everything is, prepared when I still have some times on my hand, because later on in the evening I also want to start working, editing and all that. So I think let me right now start ironing and organizing my clothing and pieces. I want to quickly show you what I have prepared for lunch. So here I'm having ground nuts and I'm having matoke. Then I also made some porridge with milk. So this is what I'm going to be having for lunch as per now.
2,000 years later.
Thank you very much, guys, for watching today's vlog. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share out with friends and family. Currently, I'm switching out. I'm about to go take a shower, edit the thumbnail, and finish off editing of this particular vlog. But let me meet you in tomorrow's video. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now.